A lot of local greenhouses didn't stand much of a chance against the huge amounts of snow that fell during that blizzard.
And the cost of repairing those dozens of destroyed buildings could cost millions of dollars. More now from News 8's Tina Dittel.
Recovery continues for some of the state's nurseries, which suffered a lot during the blizzard. That's because their greenhouses collapsed.
The weight of the snow just kind of trickled down into where the gutters are.
That weight proved too heavy for Ann Duncan's Gutter Connect greenhouses. Her Salem herb farm now in shambles.
It was so heavy it just all broke and twisted.
The blizzard knocked her out of business and left her 90 by 60 foot greenhouse space in ruins.
This is a complete disaster. I mean, this is not repairable. This will all have to be taken down.
Pots were all ready to be planted with seeds, something she usually does in mid-February. But instead, she is dealing with insurance companies and calculating losses. These greenhouses did survive the record snowfall we had a couple of years ago, but that's because Ann's husband was able to go up onto the roof in between each storm and shovel off the snow. But with this storm, he never even had a chance to do that.
And it was too dangerous to do that.
Fortunately, she can use this other greenhouse, which lost its plastic covering during a recent windstorm.
I think a lot of other greenhouses are also having the same situation, and who knows what impact that's going to have on the consumer.
Duncan says folks may not be able to get the variety of plants they usually buy. Ann Duncan is hoping she'll be able to get the plastic up on that other greenhouse Friday, so she'll be able to reopen for the season April 1st, her usual start date. In the New London newsroom at the Day, Tina Dittel, News 8.